Recording.
Oh boy. I think I'm going to get wet. So is that old boy right there. He ain't got a helmet on. But I decided I'd ride in this morning because it was in the 50s. And I thought maybe the rain wouldn't get here till 4 o'clock. And, well, it did. It got here beforehand, so I'm going to get wet. Not too bad. On the way home, anyway. I've been here several times in this situation. I'm not hardcore. I just don't have better sense. But tomorrow, we're supposed to get some big time snow. Nice. Supposed to get up to 2 inches of ice, and then we're supposed to get 8 to 12 inches of snow, and then 3 inches of snow on top of that. So, who knows? But right now it's raining pretty good. It's not pouring. Hopefully you can see. I'm sure the camera has got water on it. But I did take my wallet and everything, put it in the Ziploc bag, in the tail bag, so it don't get all wet. But the good part is it's about 60 degrees, 58, something like that. It's close to 60. So it's not extremely terrible out here. Didn't get to make no videos over the weekend because I was gone for 4 days, 4-day weekend, and gone to Oklahoma. And it was nice weather to make videos too. But hopefully all this mess will be over with and I'll get back on the video making soon. Well, I made it that far. These back roads ain't as bad. Them paved roads through town and the highway there gets slick when it rains. Especially when you got these knobbies. There's not really a lot of tread that's actually touching the ground or the asphalt. You know, you're just riding on them knobs, and you got to be careful because, boy, you can go down in a heartbeat. Luckily, I never have, but I have came so close before to going down that it ain't funny. I have slipped and almost laid it over somehow, not by talent, I don't think, it's just by dumb luck. It caught and stood back up, and I've done that on several occasions throughout, you know, all the years I rode. So if any of you guys have ever laid it down on wet roads, slick roads like this, comment below and let me know. Or had calls like I have, close calls where you've just dang near done it. The tires will slip, they'll break loose, boy, and it's kind of hard to do anything with it when it does. Now, I've been even on snow and ice before, and I've still never crashed on the snow and ice, but it's just almost impossible to ride on much snow and ice. Snow you can kind of go, but ice, you just better off leave your motorcycle sitting in the garage, because when it's solid black ice out, you better not be riding. But snow you can go. It may not be good. It's not like a four-wheeler anyhow. So tomorrow when the ice comes, I won't be riding the motorcycle, of course. If we get a good snow, I may try to get it out in the snow and ride. Yeah, I don't want to lay it over. That's why these rough asphalt roads like this is actually chip and seal, and they're pretty good traction for even when it's wet. Not like the paved roads in town, especially. So comment below if you've laid it over on the slick roads on ice or just rain, wet roads and road oil and stuff. Or if you've had a close call like I said I did. I ain't too far from the house now anyhow. But it'd be nice to get in there where it's warm, because it's starting to cool off now. With it raining, it's cooling down big time. So hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Click the thumbs up on this video, subscribe. This is just a short one, nothing important on it. Just talking to you about the roads. If you guys comment below. Hopefully I'll get some videos soon after this snowstorm passes through. Maybe it'll warm up. So I'll catch you on the next one. Right on.